morning mga ka-ballers! So, ari today sa Celine Homes Basketball Gymnasium and you are watching the first DRFI MRQ Roxy Tailoring Basketball Invitational Summer Pocket Tournament. So, this is the game 2, championship game.
Hello. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the last day of the DRFI MRQ Roxy Tailoring Pocket Invitational Tournament 2026. We are now on the second game, the championship round between Jump Clips Basketball versus Team Falcons. Baliado na standing 1-0 na. Kung magadaog ang Falcons, sila na ang aton champions sa 12 under category. Rebound won by the Falcons, no good. Rebound once again. Down to number 14, baseline drive. There's a foul and one called against Abitong. Jersey number 6, first personal foul, Labayen, and first team foul for the Jump Clips Basketball. 3-point gameplay for jersey number 14, Khan. Albia now on the ball. Pass to Carbel, back to Albia, to Abitong. Number 27 down to Labayen, no good. Rebound by Doctor, no good. Won once again by the Jump Clips, no good. Gihapon. Mula gihapon ka Jump Clips courtesy of Doctor. Doctor, Harobel, corner drive. Tumira, Labaw. Rebound won by the Falcons. Falcons now on the run. Fast break to Tan. Tan. Driving, jumper. No good. Rebound. Then ang bola. Bola ka Falcons. 8 minutes and 50 seconds. No good. Rebound by jersey number 29 and there's a foul called against Labayen. Labayen, second personal foul and second team fouls for Team Jump Clips. 2 free throws for jersey number 29. No good. Number 6. Klaro pa lang karon sa referee. Jersey 0, drive. Up and down, basket is good for the Falcons. Jersey 0 scores 5-0 in favor of Team Falcons with Albiana on the ball. Corner to Harubel, inside to Doctor. Doctor will try to 2 and there's a whistle call against jersey number 16. Jersey number 16, first personal foul and first team foul for Team Falcons. 2 free throws for Doctor. Basket is good for his first throw. Last throw for Doctor. No good. The rebound by jersey 0 to jersey number 3 is Iscarilla. Iscarilla is now being guarded by Harobel. Iscarilla to number 14, Tan on the drive. Time. And he was called double dribble by Tan. Remaining time, 7 minutes and 36 seconds for the first quarter. Albia hesitate, pass to Harobel. Harobel, baseline jumper, gipasay Doctor, intercepted by jersey 0. Jersey 0, Bachuco, drive. Basket is good for jersey 0, Bachuco. Scores 7-1 in favor of the Team Falcons. Bulaluwat ni Albia. Harobel back to Albia. Albia now drive. Baseline. Fake. Down to Harobel. Launches for 3. In and out. Rebound by Bachoco. Bachoco now on the dribble. Bachoco is dribbling against Gupto. Passes the ball to Iscarilla. Iscarilla is being guarded by Harobel. Corner to number 16. Drive. Tan. Pass to another 14 to Bachoco. Drive and he was fouled by Doctor. Doctor first personal foul and 13 fouls for Team Jump Clips. Bulacan Falcons to Bachoco. Bachoco drive, floater, in and out. Rebound won by jersey number 29. Bulagi Apon ka Falcons.
Oh!
Inbound to Iscarilla. Iscarilla now on the ball being guarded by Albia. 10 shot clock. Bachoco inside. Bachoco down to Saw. At the Saw, basket is good. See ya. Time out! Time out by Jump Clips Basketball with remaining time 6 minutes and 5 seconds for the first quarter. Scores 9-1 in favor of Team Falcons. Championship round, game number 2 between Falcons and Jump Clips Basketball. 1-0 ang atong series. May game 3 pa ihan or tapuso na sa Falcons ang hampang. Albia inside to Doctor. Floater no good. Rebound by Estrella to Harobel. Harobel drive. No good. Rebound by jersey number 16 to Iscarilla. Iscarilla now on the ball. Being guarded by 3 players of Jump Clips Basketball. But it was tapped outside. Dito. Substitution. Ibay in, Harbel out for Team Jump Clips. Remaining time, 5 minutes and 36 seconds. Naagaw ni Ibay ang bola again pasa kay Albia. Albia against jersey number 14 of Falcons. Surveying the floor, passes the ball to Abitong. Abitong inside to Estrella. Estrella hesitate. Steal by jersey number 14 to Bachoco. Bachoco now in traffic, finding someone to pass to number 14. Back to Iscarilla. Iscarilla against Ibay. Iscarilla down. Wala pass to jersey number 29. Basket is good for Team Falcons. 5 minutes remaining time for the first quarter. Jump Clips now with Albia on the ball inside to Doctor. Doctor in traffic. Nagawa yung bola. Nakuha ni Iscarilla. Iscarilla for the Falcons on the run. Iscarilla down to number Sia. And he was fouled by Abitong. Dito lang yapon. Dito lang yapon. Abitong first personal foul and 4th team fouls for Team Jump Clips. Reserve sub. Last throw for jersey number 16, Sia. Basket. Substitution. Jersey number 3 out. And birthday boy, jersey number 7, Pusada Singh. Happy birthday. Ari lang kami din. Basi pa lang. Salamat mga daan. Back to the ball game, birthday boy for 2. Short rebound once again by Estrella to birthday boy. Basket is good for jersey number 7, Pusadas. Iscarilla fast break to jersey number 29 inside to number 14. Tan tumira ng dos. Cabos rebound by jersey number 29 to Bachoco. Bachoco inside. Up and under. No good. Rebound won by Albia. Albia on the dribble for the Jump Clips Basketball. Albia umatake. Dribbling against two. Slicing inside in traffic. Deflected. Intercepted by jersey number 29. Number 29 nagtuloy-tuloy na kaya Cabos. Rebound won by the Jump Clips with Albia. Is still dribbling for the Jump Clips Basketball. Albia hesitate, finding someone to pass inside the Doctor. To Pusadas, inside to Estrella. Deflected by jersey number 25, but it was stopped outside by Team Falcons. Substitution. Jersey number 20 in, jersey number 14 out for the Falcons. Inbound for Jump Clips. Albia will try another 3. In and out, rebound won by jersey number 10. Fast break to Iscarilla. Iscarilla against Albia.
Oy,
Down to number
namin,
29. Basket is
Namin,
good
nga bata,
for
coach, no?
jersey number 29. Jersey number 27 on the ball. Corner to Posadas. Being guarded by jersey number 16 inside to Doctor. Doctor is struggling. Being guarded by jersey number 16 back to Posadas.
Zag.
Outside. Substitution. Jersey number 8 in. Jersey number 16 out for the Falcon.
2 minutes, 45 seconds.
Iscarilla now on the ball for the Falcons inside the number 29. No good. Rebound won by Bachoco. Bachoco up and under. And there's a foul and one against Estrella. Estrella first personal foul. 29. Sorry. Jersey number 29 is foul. First personal foul for Ibay. Penalty. Bonus free throw for Bachoco. Basket is good for Bachoco. Remaining time 2 minutes and 10 seconds with the scores 18-3 in favor of the Falcons. What a pass inside by Albia to Posadas. Basket is good for Posadas. Bachoco now on the ball. Bachoco must break to number 3. Iscarilla against Doctor. And he was blocked from behind, but there's an outside stepping on the line by Doctor. Being guarded by Ibay. Tumira ng dos. No good. Rebound won by Doctor. Blocked by Doctor. Rebound by Bachoco. So jersey number 8. Corner no good. Rebound once again by the Falcons. Courtesy of Scarilla. What a pass inside the number 20. No good. Rebound once again by Bachoco. Wala gyatay. And he was fouled by jersey number 3. Doctor. Second personal foul for Doctor. No basket for jersey 0. Last throw for Bachoco. One minute and 22 seconds. 19-5 in favor of the Falcon. Albia surveying the floor. Jumper, no good. Rebound won by jersey number 8 to Iscarilla. Is stepping on the line by Iscarilla.
1 minute, 3 seconds.
Albia
1 minute.
dribbling the ball. Ibay inside on a pass to Garzon. No good. Rebound by
50 seconds.
to Posadas. Rebound won by Bachoco. Bachoco is dribbling against Albia. Bachoco tuloy-tuloy baseline right up and under. Basket is good.
40 seconds.
Albia on the drive. Nagtuloy-tuloy.
30 seconds.
What a move by Albia. Iscarilla against Albia. Jumper 2. No good.
20 seconds.
Rebound by number 17. Iscarilla. Drive. Block by Ibay. Inay lang.
10 seconds. 10. Sub. 10. 5. 2 seconds.
And that's the end of our first quarter. Scores 21-7 in favor of the Team Falcons.
Makikalaw sa tungtungan Pataman kumatandang makipagyuyugan Kahit nasaan
Okay. Wait, rep. Hello. Yeah. Pass to jersey number 20. Launches for 2. In and out. 1 by jersey number 17. Number 17 in traffic to number 20. To number 1. Avellana down to number 10. Agaw ni Albia ang bola. Albia na the ball for Team Jam Clips Basketball. Surveying the floor is Albia. Tumira ng 2. In and out. Rebound. 1 by Doctor. Doctor now on the dribble. Hand off to Albia. To Ibay. Albia. Agaw. Ni jersey number 10 ang bola. Jersey number 10 is struggling the ball. Deflected by Abitong. Uy, hala. Bachoko the ball. Pass to Yap. Jersey Yap against Doctor. Down to number 20. In graphic. Naagaw ni number 8. Stepping on the line by jersey number 8. 8 minutes and 20 seconds remaining time. Scores 21-7. Albia being guarded by jersey number 20. Down to Harobel. Struggling. Passes the ball to Albia. Albia fake. Oy, may nangitlog sa sulod sang 3-point area. Substitution. 3 seconds violation committed by Garzon. Serve na ng test. Bachoko. Pass to number 17 corner. No good. Number 8. No good. Rebound by Albia. Naagaw ni jersey number 17. And there's a whistle called against jersey number. Substitution. Jersey number 27, Albia. First personal foul for Albia. 2 free throws for jersey number 17. First Albia to foul. Basket is good for jersey number 17. Last throw for jersey number 17, Home na release. Basket, 2 points for jersey number 17. 7 minutes and 26 seconds remaining time. Harobel being guarded by jersey number 5. Inside to Doctor. To Abitong. Abitong is dribbling. Launches for 2, no good. Rebound by number 29 to Bachoco. Bachoco is dribbling the ball against Harobel. Passes the ball to Avellana. Avellana guarded by Harobel. Number 5, baseline fake. Pass to number 29, outside to Avellana. Avellana is dribbling. Number 29. No good. Rebound, won by Jam Clips.
Shout out kay Boss Miller Kinyo. Good
Scores
morning.
23-7 in favor of the Falcons. Albia launches for 3.
Bang!
No good. Rebound by number 29 to Bachoco. Jersey Steelers is dribbling the ball to Avellana. Avellana against Doko. Avellana down to Bachoco. Bachono up and down. No good. Rebound by Harobel. Harobel to Abito. Abito against number 29. Layup is good and there's a foul. And a whistle called against jersey number 29. Foul and 1. Grabing Iloy kang irit-gid kinakaskore ang bata. Proud mommy. 2 out. Bonus free throw for jersey number 1, Abito. Basket is good for Abito. Remaining time 6 minutes and 5 seconds. Number 29 on the ball, number 29. Agay ni Abito ang bola. Abito now on the run. Abito against number 29 and there's a whistle against jersey number 29. Jersey number 29. Second personal foul for jersey number 29 of Team Falcons. First throw for Abitong is no good. Last throw for Abitong. In and out. Rebound won by Bachoco. Bachoco has the ball to Avellana. Avellana to Villarreal. Villarreal is dribbling. Passes the ball to jersey number 29. Number 29 against Abitong. Up and under one. No good. Rebound by number 29. Will try another. And there's a jump ball. Di ng bola sob. Bola gihapon sa Team Falcons. 5 minutes and 21 seconds remaining time. Passes inside. Iscarilla, fake. Traveling violation by Iscarilla. 5 minutes and 16 seconds. Alvia has the ball for Team Jam Clips to Abito. Abito hesitate, dribbling against Villarreal inside to Doctor. And he was fouled by Villarreal. Jersey number 5, first personal foul. Inbound by Abitong to Alvia. To Harobel. Harobel will try 3. In and out. Rebound by jersey number 29. Bulag yapon sa Falcons. Bachoco. Bachoco against Doctor. Inside to jersey number 29. Back to Bachoco. Bachoco drive. Layup is good for Bachoco. 4 minutes and 25 seconds. By 5 Gs ang score. Abanse 15 ang Falcons with Albia for Jam Clips. Speed. Back to Harobel. Baseline shooter. No good. Rebound by Bachoco to Iscarilla against Doctor. Down to Bachoco. Back to Iscarilla. Surveying the floor. Asking for a screen. Down to Villarreal. Inside to number 76. What a pass to Bachoco. No good. Rebound by Doctor. Albia is on the run. Albia against Iscarilla. Umatake. Down to Estrella, blocked by Bachoco. Bachoco has the ball to Iscarilla. Iscarilla. Down to Villarreal. Villarreal. Basket is good for Villarreal. 3 minutes and 15 seconds remaining time. Alvia. Alvia against Villarreal. What a move. Step back two. Basket is good for Alvia. 2 minutes and 55 seconds remaining time for the second quarter. Oh yeah, Villarreal. Villarreal baseline floater. Basket is good. Humot. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Alvia surveying the floor. Torabel will try another three. No good. Rebound by Bachoco once again for Team Falcon. Bachoco down to jersey number 29. Wheel number 29. Nagtuloy-tuloy. Grabe na. Substitution. Labayin Pusadas in. And Dukto Abitong out for Team Junkies. Estrella Gles. Estrella Abitong. Sorry. 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Albia to Pusadas, jumper. No good. Rebound by Sia. Sia to Iscarilla. Iscarilla to Robel to Doctor. Ato Bachoco. Bachoco. Drive. Traveling violation by Bachoco. 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining time, second quarter. Albia will launch another three. Bang! 3 points by Albia. With Iscarilla against Arabel to Bachoco. Bachoco is being guarded by Labayen. Bachoco still dribbling. Hand off to Villarreal. Villarreal is dribbling. Down to jersey number 16 of the Falcons, intercepted by Harobel. Harobel is on the run against jersey number Falcons. Harobel is dribbling against Villarreal, and he was fouled by Bachoco, I guess. Sorry, number 16. Jersey number 16, Sia. Second personal foul for jersey number 16, Sia. 2 free throws for Harobel. Harobel is good. 1 point for Harobel. Second throw and last throw for Harobel. Medyo short. Rebound by Dokto. Dokto against Bachoco. Up and under. Oy, ala. Sumayaw sa loob ng Chacha. Traveling violation.
56 seconds.
56 seconds. 29-16 in favor of Falcons.
50 seconds.
Bachoco.
Uy,
Basket is good.
may agalaw.
40 seconds.
Ay, kaya na jump clip sa mali Mami Cheryl.
30 seconds. 10 to shoot. Sub, 7 to shoot. 27 seconds. 7 to shoot. Five. Seconds.
Never say never.
15. 10. 5.
Happy guys! Mundayo ni Riley.
Foul?
And of the
Penalty?
second
Why?
quarter.
Wala penalty, and that's the end of the second quarter. Scores 31-16 in favor of the Team Falcons. Championship game between Falcons and Jump Clips basketball game number 2.
Ambal ko sa'yo.
Coach, sila coach.
Short, rebound,
Mag-replyan.
pero outside ang bola.
Nakuwanta lang nga mo na nga son. Good po tali. Sila
Batchoko
yung,
now.
Sila yung
Back in
Sila na pa
to number 14. Down to Batchoko. To Iscarilla. Acel Garilla. Open for 3. Bang! 2 points. Long 2 points. 2 points na sa rep. 2 points for Iscarilla. Albia surveying the floor. Asking for a screen. Albia struggling. Steal by jersey number 14 na agaw duwat ni Dokto ang bola. Dokto to Albia. Albia sidestep and he was fouled. There's a blocking foul called against jersey 0 Batchoko.
Once di ba na
Batchoko first personal foul and first team foul for Team Falcons. 2 free throws for Albia. Basket first throw.
So duwa ka unsportsmanlike na
Last throw for
thrown
Albia.
out sa ng hindi sa ka-play the next game. May one game na suspension. It just so happen nga ang iyang next game is
Semifinal pa.
crucial. Semifinal. So, amo to wala sa ka-play.
Dapat clear pa.
No good. Rebound by number 14. Number 14 passes the ball. Deflected ni Harobel
Hindi
ang
mo
ball.
tsura.
Play ball. Tanto Iscarilla to Havillana. Havillana down to the Batchoko. What a pass to Sia. Corner. No good. Rebound by Dokto. With Harobel on the ball. Harobel is being guarded by Iscarilla. Harobel surveying the floor. Finding someone to pass. Corner to Alvia. Alvia baseline drive. Basket is good for Alvia. 8 minutes and 24 seconds. Havillana to Iscarilla. Down to number 16, Sia. No good. Rebound won by number 14. And he was struggling. Traveling violation.
Bangon na.
Substitution. Lagta. Scores 33. 33-19.
1933 sa record.
Outside, Bulaca Falcons. 33-19. 33-19 in favor of Team Falcons with Escarilla down to Havillana. Havillana down to Planta. Outside to Escarilla. No good. Rebound won by Tan. Struggling. Nakuha ni Abitong. Abitong. And there's a whistle.
Nano to sa?
Kapalo, bro.
Tumbasa?
Abitong to Ibay. Ibay against Iscarilla inside to Dokto. Dokto against Iscarilla. To Albia. Corner to Pusadas. In and out. Rebound won by Dokto. Dokto down to Pusadas. No good once again for Pusadas. Rebound by Planta to Iscarilla. Iscarilla is dribbling. But Iscarilla is trouble.
Sub.
Substitution. Labayin in, Pusadas out for Team Jump Clips. 7 minutes and 6 seconds. Katahog sa mga trophy sa likod, no?
7 minutes.
Alam mo? Hamis pa sa guya ko ang mga trophy.
And shoot.
6 minutes and 50 seconds, no good. Rebound by Labayan for 2. Basket is good for Labayan. 6 minutes and 50 seconds. Habiliana na on the ball, being by Abito. Habiliana against Docto. Nakawala. Again pa sa Escarilla. Escarilla, baseline drive down to Docto. Batchoco, sorry. Batchoco is no good. Rebound by Docto. Docto now to Albia. Albia is dribbling the ball. Albia umatake. Guarded by Habiliana. And he was fouled by jersey number 11. Jersey number 11, Habiliana. Inbound, inside to Docto. Docto finding someone to pass to Albia. Albia against Habiliana.
And shoot.
Ibay open. No good. Rebound won by Batchoco. Batchoco is now dribbling. Batchoco against Abitong Planta to Escarilla. Guarded by Ibay. Baseline drive. No good. Rebound by Docto. Docto to Albia. Borge now is dribbling the ball. Ibay, corner. Bang! Timeout by Falcons. Scores 33-23. 5 minutes and 37 seconds. Pulo na lang abansi ka Falcons. Still a championship game between Rams, UNR Rams versus SGI Falcons. Game number 2. Nagsulod na ang grupo. Grupo Progreso. Inbound by Falcons. Nakuha ni Batchoco. Batchoco down to Planta. Basket is good for Planta. Jersey number 29. Albia now on the ball for team jump plays. Albia asking for a screen for Labayan. Albia nakalusot. Gituloy-tuloy na naman tira na counted pass sa mga 2 points for Albia. Escarilla bigyan by Abito. Abito.
Repay God,
Finding someone to
rep!
pass. Agay ni Ibay ang bola. Ibay is dribbling. Passes the ball to Albia. Albia. Down to Labayan and he was fouled by Planta. Jersey number 29, Planta. Third personal foul. First throw for Labayan. Basket is good for Labayan. Last throw for Labayan. Basket is good. Substitution, jersey number 5 in, jersey number 11, Habiliana out for Team Falcons. Escarilla against Escarilla. Grabing dipinsa sa mga pakaisanay. Batchoco. Batchoco is dribbling. Passes the ball to jersey number 14 to Batchoco. Batchoco drive against Albia. Up and under. And there's a whistle and one against Albia. Substitution. Ang Dokas.
Sub.
Substitution. Docto in. Abitong out for jump clips. Bonus free throw for Batchoco. No good. Rebound won by Docto. Docto to Albia. Albia now has the ball for Team Jump Clips Basketball. 4 minutes and 31 seconds. Albia launches for 3. Bang! 3 points for Albia. Escarilla now has the ball. Good ball, Batchoco. Corner open to number 3 for 3. Bang! Falcon. Ari na. Matan, 3 points. Jersey number 14, Albia, corner to Ibay, launches for 3. No good. Rebound by Labay for 2. Basket by Labayen. Labayen to Batchoco. Batchoco, Bengal Base Canilla. And Doctor ay outside ang bola. 3 minutes and 37 seconds. 3 minutes and 37 seconds. Scores 40-32. Walo avanse, Cabalcuns. Albia will try another 3. But there's a whistle. Called against jersey number 5, Villarreal. Second personal foul for jersey number 5, Villarreal. 3 free throws for Albia. Basket is good. Oh, pito na lang avanse. 7-point lead by the Falcons. 2 remaining throws for Albia. Basket is good. 2 out of 3. Last throw for Albia. Pinakuwit ang bulio. No good. Oh, yan ang rebound by Planta. Planta has been guarded by Albia and Labayen in traffic. Iscarilla against Iscarilla to Albia, grabbing the pinsa, go to Batchoco, and there's an 8 seconds violation committed by Falcons. What a defense by Team Champions Basketball. 3 minutes and 12 seconds. Ibay. Ibay to Doctor. Doctor to Mirandos. Cabos to rebound by Jersey Planta. Planta to Iscarilla. Iscarilla is dribbling. And he was fouled by Ibay. Jersey Ibay, second personal foul for Ibay. Batchoco against Doctor. Batchoco is dribbling. Hand off to Iscarilla. Iscarilla against Ibay. Drive to Albia. No good. Rebound won by Planta. Naagaw ni Batchoco. Pass break to Ibay. Ibay layup for 2. And 1 for Ibay. Jersey number 14. Let's go up 14. Jersey number 14, Tan. First personal foul for jersey number 14, Tan. 2 minutes and 36 seconds. Anom, Avance, Falcons. Ibay. No good. Rebound won by jersey number 17 to Iscarilla. Iscarilla on the run. Down to number 14. Good. Rebound by Albia. Albia is dribbling. Albia against number 5 to Doctor. Doctor back to Albia. Albia pass break na agaw ni Iscarilla. Magubaan ang mga camera. Outside. On substitution.
Sub.
Let's go! 2 minutes and 5 seconds. Albia asking for a screen by Doctor. Albia spin, struggling. Doctor open for 2. No good. 1 minute and 57 seconds. Apat avanse Cabalcuns. Batchoco now has the ball to stand back to Batchoco. To jersey number 5. Number 5, Villarreal, baseline drive down to number 17 and struggling to Mirandos. Bang! 2 points to jersey number 17. Kasadya lamang ang pang. 1 minute and 35 seconds. Albia. Pass to Harobel, launches for 3. No good. Yun lang. 1 minute and 29 seconds. Iscarilla against Harobel to jersey number 14 to Villarreal. Villarreal against our Albia. Struggling. Outside ang ball. 1 minute and 19 seconds. Anong gihapon ang abanse Cabalcuns. Nabuhay ang dugo sa mga ginikanan sa mga kabataan kaysa dyan na ang hampang Arigid. Sa Jenny, Albia now asking for a split.
Shot
Surveying
clock
the ball.
14.
Abitong, baseline drive, floater, good rebound by Labayen. Labayen to Harobel, Harobel fake.
5 shot clock.
Tumira, sumayan ang Chacha, basket! Apat na lang ang
15
avanse.
seconds.
Lagaw, wala lagaw, Bacho, Koto, Iscarilla, corner to number 14, launches for 3, no good. Rebound to number 17,
Yeah,
14 seconds.
wala.
38.
Kita, o niya.
Dumaywat-wat na nga ito, mga atay isang kadatira ba? 38 seconds, 38 segundos. 38 segundos. Ang nabilin nga oras sa kundi nga pag-antos. Inbound to Bachoco, up and under. No good. Rebound by the
30 seconds.
Tanang bola, Tanang has the ball. Tan launches for 3. Short, rebound by
25.
Doctor Talvia. Go, boss.
20. 16 seconds.
Katahong ng mga bata. Okay ba penalty? Penalty.
Tumagin, Trace Lau. O yan lang.
No good. Apat na naman. Siya, apat. Dave. Last throw.
16 seconds. 15. 10. 5.
Uy! Uy! O yun ba?
Katuhong.
Grabe.
Katuhong.
Grabe yun.
Score!
Ba yan, ba yan?
44-39. Ang sa Jali, sa out na Jalay. Ang lakas. Okay, back to the ball game. Championship round, game number 2 between Champlips Basketball versus Falcons. Fourth and final quarter. Scores 42-39 in favor of the Falcons with Javiliana. Jersey number 11 has the ball. Passes the ball to Escarilla, asking for a screen. Foul, blocking foul, or illegal screen call against jersey number 11. Illegal screen. Inbound now from Abitong to Harobel to Albia. Albia to Abitong. Back to Albia. Albia to Harobel. Harobel hesitates. Right down to Labayen. And one. What a move. Grabe ba cheer na?
41-42, isa na naman si sa Falcon.
Alagid Sadani. Bonus free throw for Labayen. Oh, walis na, walis.
42 all. Close the block of the game.
Alvia drive down to Labayen. No good. Rebound by Batchoco. Batchoco passes the ball to Iscarilla. Iscarilla against Abito. Behind the back pass to Batchoco inside. Batchoco drive down to Planta. Back to Batchoco. Batchoco is dribbling down to Planta. And there's a 3 seconds violation. Kasadya. Amonial Championship game yan. Alvia pass the ball back to Alvia, open for 3. Wala, rebound won by Abitong. Abitong corner, fake, tumira, and there's a whistle called against jersey number. Who is fouled? Jersey number 11. Jersey number 11, Avellana, third personal foul. Tatlo na si Avellana. 2 free throws for Abitong. Oyala, kumabos ang tira ni Abitong. Last throw. Basket by Abitong. Abanse na ang jump left by 1 point. Batchoco against Labayen. Batchoco down to jersey number 14, corner 3, no good. Rebound by Dr. Alvia. Alvia now on the ball, 14 jump lefts. Nagakagat pa. Dumay game 3 by Han or Championo na Kapalcons. Harobel in the corner. Harobel against jersey number 14, struggling the dribble. Oyala, outside din ang bola. Bola gihapon ka jump lefts. 8 minutes and 17 seconds. Isa, Abanse, sang jump lefts basketball. Abanse ka
Isa na.
tatlo na Abanse. 41-44. Sorry. 45-42 ang score. Abanse tatlo ang jump play. Avellana, baseline drive. Up and under. Rebound by Docto. Docto passes the ball to Abito. Abito now has the ball. Down to Harobel. Harobel is stepping on the line.
Vincenzo ang score. Ibalik ko na lang ang para.
Let's go! Batchoco on the drive, floater is good for Batchoco. Seven minutes, 25 seconds. Abitong hesitate, drive, tumira ng Cabos, rebound by Planta. Planta has the ball to Iscarilla. Iscarilla, back to Planta. To Batchoco, what a ball movement. Batchoco is right, and he was fouled by Alvia. Alvia, third personal foul for Alvia. Bonus free throws for Batchoco. Players sa jump lips, may guard lang. Plus throw. Basket. Time out by Jump Lips Basketball. Scores 45 all. has the ball. Albia to Riley. Riley Harubel down to Labayen. Up and under. Blocked from behind by Bachoco. Bachoco is dribbling. And there's a foul called against jersey number 6. Labayen. Labayen. Second personal foul. Iscarilla against Harubel. Is struggling. Passes the ball. Nakuha ni Harubel. Harubel to Abitong. Abitong. Layup. Shot! Rebound by Harubel for 2. Ay sa Janine. Abiliana. No good. Rebound by Atlanta. Atlanta to Bachoco. Basket is good by Bachoco. Albia. Passes to Albia.
Shot clock 14.
Launches for 3. Airball.
6 minutes.
Albia on the ball. Albia against Iscarilla. Harubel inside. Agaw. Nakuha ni Labayen ni Abitong. Abitong on struggle.
And the shoot.
To Harubel.
5 to shoot.
Albia launches for 3. Bang! 3 points by Albia. And there's the whistle called against Labayen. Labayen, third personal foul. Sajani. Abiliana drive and one. Foul by jersey number 3. Third personal foul for Ducto. Bonus free throw. Isa abanse. Jump flips. Tatlo na si Ducto. No good. Rebound. Work by Bachoco. Basket is good by Bachoco.
5 minutes.
Let's go! Harubel. Backcourt violation committed by Jump Flips Basketball. Isa abanse Cabalcons. 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Bachoco drive. Up and under. Abitong now has the ball. Harubel. To Albia. Launches for 3. No. Kasadja. Iscarilla drive. Baseline. Bang! Arine sa Jalen.
33 on.
Oh, Guales. Albia.
Shot clock 14.
Doctor will try. Short. Giatay rapod.
4 minutes.
Kasadya sa rawang ng liga. Plastar. Perenza, cheer na. Daw ginakulbaan na ta. Ay, i-preparar ang Losartan. Abiliana is dribbling against Albia. Back to Doctor. Doctor against Abito. Abito to Bachoco.
Shot clock 14.
Behind the back, what a move. Floater. Bang! 2 points for Bachoco.
Shot clock 14.
Bola.
13 shot clock.
Dena bola. Bola. Ka-jump plays. Duabanse. Cabalcons. Alvia. Corner. No good. Abito for the putback. Struggling.
Magsabla!
Alvia. Tumira ng tres. No good. Rebound by Doctor. Bang! Basket sa Janeer. Guales naman ang score. Guales 55.
3 minutes.
No good. Ace ka na niya for 3. No good. Rebound by Labayen. Labayen to Alvia. Alvia will try the 3. No good. Rebound won by Abiliana. Abiliana being dribbled the ball and he was hammered by Abito. Penalty. 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 Aguales ang score with 2 minutes and 31 seconds. No good. Aguales naman ang score. Amo niya ligaya, sadya. Last throw. Last throw for Javeliana. Pasadya ka pang basket is good for Javeliana. O isa Banse Cabalcons. Arabel, corner drive, and he was fouled by sinong foul rep? Jersey number 14. Isa Abanse, Capalcons. Basket. Okay, Guales na naman. Last throw for jersey number 15, Harobel. Ayan na, nagwa pa. 1 minute and 54 seconds. Javeliana is dribbling. Pass the ball inside number 14. Naagaw nila ba yung nakuha niya? Harobel ang bola. Harobel on the dribble. Harobel against Javeliana. Harobel sidestepping. Nag-layup. No good. Rebound by Javeliana. Javeliana now on the dribble. And he was fouled by Abito. Abito, fourth personal foul penalty. Basket. 1 minute and 35 seconds with 1-point lead for Team Falcons. Last throw for Javeliana. Basket, 2 points. 2 free throws. Basket is for Javeliana. Banse. Abito passes to Arobel. Arobel hesitate to Labayen. Labayen drive. No good. Time out, time out.
Time out!
Time out. Jump clips, basketball. Game. 1 minute and 15 seconds inbound for jump tips. Albia launches. No good. Rebound by Bachoco. Bachoco against, and he was fouled by Doctor. Doctor, penalty. Doctor, personal foul. Grabe ba?
May isa pa time out ang green. Ang wabing duwa.
Scores 58-56 in favor of Falcons. Free throw for Bachoco. No good. Are. Oh, sa dyan eh. Oh, last throw for Bachoco. Rebound by Albia. Albia now. Albia is dribbling. Passes the ball to Harobel. Harobel baseline drive. Down to Labayen. Outside.
52 seconds.
Pass sa Jack.
15. 41. 13. 10 shoot.
Bachoco. Tapas. Tuklan.
5 shoot.
Napaw.
13 seconds. 21.
Ayan lang.
20. 15. 10. Time out.
Time out. Falcons.
Wala na tayo sa clock. 20 seconds. 10 seconds.
Two free throws for Bachoco. Basket. Tatlo abante ka SJI. Let's go. Bachoco on the ball. Last throw. No good. Rebound won by Bachoco.
5